Ever tried making a CC but had no clue where to start? You might think this video is going to waste your time, but you couldn't be more wrong. In just 5 minutes, I'll show you how to create a clean, pro-level CC. No stress, no fluff. If you're a beginner editor, this one's made just for you. By the end, you'll have a CC that looks like it came straight out of After Effects. Let's dive in. All right, first things first. Set your frame rate to 60. If you skip this step, your video might look a little choppy and not as smooth. So yeah, make sure it's locked at 60 FPS. Before you watch the rest of the video, let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on this velocity edit. This one's super smooth and easy. You can make it in under 5 minutes. If you're down for the tutorial, drop a comment and I got you. Now tap on Add Effect, go to Color and Light, and add the Saturation Vibrance effect. Once you've got that, just follow along with exactly what I do. Now, click on Add Effect again, go to Color and Light, and add the Gradient Overlay. Set color 1 to white and color 2 to black. Then go back to Add Effect, choose Color and Light, and add Exposure Gamma. Right after that, add the HDR effect. Now, some of you might not have HDR available, but no stress. I'm going to share the version of a light motion called After Motion in my Telegram channel, so you can download it from there. Links in the description. Next up, add the brightness/contrast effect. If any part of this was confusing, just hit me up in the comments and I'll explain it for you. Now go back to Add Effect. Choose Color and Light. And add Light Glow. Quick tip about color. I went with red because it fits my video's vibe. You should pick a color that matches your own video's tone, not just copy mine. Go with whatever works best for your color scheme. Then add the sharpen effect. Alright, now we're at the key part of this tutorial. Tap the plus icon, pick a shape, and scale it up so it covers the whole video frame. Add the copy background effect to this new layer. Then add channel remap to the same layer. Follow exactly what I do here. Finally, set the opacity to 41%. And that's it. You're done.